it's Geetika here. I hope everybody's take caring of yourselves in this great pandemic time. So today, before getting into the video, I just want to tell that I've been inactive for several months in YouTube, but now I'll try to be as active as possible. So as we know that COVID has been increasing rapidly in these days and the wave 2 is really getting over and all of it. So today I just wanted to talk about all these COVID situations just going on trending and all the stuff. So let's get started. So in my YouTube channel I wanted to talk on certain topics related to COVID. So first one is the lockdown. So first, many have been getting really impatient with this lockdown. Like we have been getting really very impatient because lockdown 1, 2, 3 and this wave 2 have get into the same situation again, lockdown. But on the positive side guys, think that it's really important right now because wave 2 is getting tremendous on whole world. So we need this lockdown right now. And please only go outside if it's like emergency situation, like complete emergency. Just don't go if your friends call you and all this stuff. So the next topic which I wanted to talk about is mask. So it have become like an essential for everybody. It's like a daily wear thing that everybody must carry on. So I wanted to talk a little deeper in this topic because there's much to talk. So first, the first point in here is many are not wearing mask. I have seen many people personally who are not wearing mask on the roads itself. So I wanted to just tell you guys, please guys, wear it. It's really important right now, and the wave 2, it's completely important. So even in the people who are wearing masks, there are people who are wearing it incorrectly. So the correct way and incorrect way I'm going to show you, just wait for that.
So these are the two incorrect ways of wearing a mask that most of the people wear. So this is the correct way of wearing a mask. Basically you have to cover up your nose, which most of them don't realize or don't understand, because nose is the place where the virus enters and affects your lungs.
So now I'm going to discuss about the double mask idea. So you have been seeing many people wearing up double mask. So what's the reason behind it and all stuff? So the medical mask or the surgical mask which is used in the hospitals give about 40.2% of protection, whereas the cloth mask give about 44.3% of protection. So when we wear up two masks together, it totally gives up nearly 95% of protection. So this is the reason why it is recommended to wear two masks, and this idea have been evolved. So I'll be putting up a photo here. You can also read the article as well.
So now I'll be telling the correct way of double masking yourself. So first, you must wear a medical or the surgical mask. On top of it, you must wear a cloth mask which you usually get anywhere. So this is the way you must cover yourself whenever you go to a crowded area or such.
So in the same topic I wanted to talk a bit more. So if you are a person using surgical mask or the mask which is mostly used in the hospitals, make sure you throw it in a good place after few days, like 1 or 2 days. And if you're a person using the cloth mask, make sure you wash it. Don't just keep it for months and years guys. We have to wash it. And also surgical mask, the same case, you have to throw it and use the next one. Just don't keep on using it for weeks, months and all. So the next topic I just wanted to talk about is staying indoors. It's really important, as I also said in the first lockdown topic, it's important for us to stay inside and also to protect ourselves, our families and everything guys. So the next important topic is hygiene and sanitization. So I hope everybody is following the hygiene rules and all, but make sure your environment is also clean and good, because the first wave of corona was just spreading through the fever, viral and all the stuff, but now it is also getting spread to the surface or any other thing. So make sure your environment is clean and good, and you must clean it every single day to ensure its hygiene and also very clean. The next thing is sanitizer. So now in this lockdown many people are just staying home, so I recommend you guys to wash your hands with the regular soap and those hand wash which you get. Sanitizer is a thing which is meant to be used when there is no water present at your area or around you. So make sure you just use sanitizer when you are going out and use hand wash and all those stuff when you're home. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you found it helpful. So just let's go overall view. First thing is take lockdown as a positive thing, and next is mask up and double mask up when you are going into a crowd or a crowded area. Next is sanitize yourself, stay indoors. So I hope it will be helpful for you guys. Take care. Bye.